Hello, welcome to another live stream. If you are wondering what I am doing now, is I am Zig Live Coding. Right now I am developing a remote dashboard. If you are not familiar, my 3 blocks. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to turn public. No. If you are watching this from recorded, I say that again for people that are not. So okay, so probably I will cut it if YouTube. But okay, let's start again. Welcome to this live stream. My name is Yuri. I am a engineer from Brazil. Okay. And right now I am doing a live stream because I have to by 1 hour. What I've been doing now, it is some Zig Live Coding, developing a remote status basically to allow me to see things about my PC on my tablet, similar to a similar to status bar, but in my tablet. So I want to remove a bunch of things that I always want to see. So if you are there with i3, let me show an example here. We'll show the file. So this each line there you can see what is the name of it? Yeah, I think this is brackets. Yeah. So for example, here is the time block. And this is how. So some comments. So comment will run, and then for the interval, each 5 seconds, the result of this comment through a web, and then I will be able to see the result of this comment on my other PC. I don't. Now I am developing it, the backend side of the thing, which hosts where all the comments run. This is in Zig, because I learned Zig and I'm having a good time with Zig. So before I was using C++ for this type of project, but C++ let's say that the language is becoming complicated, a lot of hidden flows. I also don't like some things like operational overloading and things like that hides implementation for me. I like everything to be explicit, so I was thinking maybe I will switch the language. So I thought immediately in C99 to be more explicit, because we have a lot of code written in C99, so which was, I think it was easier to learn C99 because there are more example, so I could learn things faster. So I started to do a little more research, and then I remember I did remember of Zig, and I started to comparing C with Zig. There were some things that caught my attention. Is that the right word for it? So this I found some interesting things about Zig. One is the creator of Zig was a C++ developer, and he got frustrated by the language, so he decided to, I don't know if it is because of that reason, but he started working on Zig. So I think Andrew Kelly, which is the creator of the language, when he was trying to make a language better than C, but he also came from a background from a frustrated developer that don't like many things of C++ that I don't like. So, and at the same time improving things that C doesn't have. So I think I think Zig was a perfect choice to explore a new language. So yeah, basically that. Why also Andrew Kelly gave a lot of talks speaking about data oriented design, which is a topic that I interested in it. So basically Andrew have a taste similar mine regarding system programming languages. So I think Zig would be I thought Zig would be an interesting language to learn. So here I am writing some things in Zig. So I'm not expert in the language yet. I'm the very fundamentals language of the language. So what I did in Zig for now, it is of course learning the documentation. I didn't finish yet. I have so little time to do that. So yeah, I am yapping about myself for 80 minutes. So let's back to the topic. I'm speaking too much. So if you are not familiar with i3, you will see those comments here, which I already explained to you. I think it is better to open the client. So I was planning to do with Zig too, but using SDL and on top of Android. But I don't know. I don't think I have patience to deal with Android things. So I using Flutter, which is the most sane framework to do something in if you want to do something in mobile, if you don't want to deal with native things, but at the same time you can do native things with Flutter. So I think would be like the second perfect choice for do this project. It has a lot of libraries to build a UI. I don't think I will do fancy things with the UI, so Flutter would be like a good choice. So I am going to open the app so you can see it better what I'm talking about. So let me open it. I in the other screen building the app so I can show you. Oh, sorry. FEN Flutter Linux. Okay. So as this is being written in Flutter, we can also see. So this is the app. I also running this from my tablet. So this is the same thing that you can see on my tablet, right? Because right now I am writing the configuration thing, so I still have to configure some things. Okay, so this is the view that I want. So I will open the backend too. Let me open it. Dashblocks host Zig build run. So I'm going to run the backend. So it's, I think it already connected. Oh, this was my tablet. Okay, so it's connected automatically. This is something that I did yesterday, which is awesome. I like when things connect automatically for of something that failed. So okay. So all those comments that are not commented here, right? You are seeing the result for example, the time. This is the name of the block. And you can see the name of the block here. Can you see my mouse cursor? Yeah, you can see. So here is the time, and below you can see the comments return. So also I have this comment that says if it's something is being recorded on my screen, so I can be aware of if I'm doing some live streaming, and in case I didn't know this. Right. So as you can see, the same things that are listed in my i3 blocks are the same thing that are listed on my on the app. So this is inspired by i3 blocks. So at least in the first releases, I want to make like something that you can copy your i3 blocks configuration, and then it should be run out of the box here. Okay, so I can see things like my disk storage, the times in for places that I work, so I can see how my code works, the time of my other co-workers. Also temperature of the GPU, things like that. I know it's this green color, it's ugly. I just wanted to see how the grade work, so I uses this extremely ugly green color. I don't know why. I could use other beautiful color, but I decided by using green. Doesn't matter actually. So we can see other things like the swap usage, the memory usage, and basically anything that can return text. Right now I'm using bash for running most of the comments. Not always bash, but for example just the date comment. So that means like i3 blocks, you can run any comment of your choice. Right, I can do a script in my favorite language and do not only scripts, but I can, as long as the program, the binary can return text, I can also do the things, right? You can also use, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, you can also do things like that using pipes. So the same thing, I can just copy this and, for example, and paste on my shell and execute it. Look, it's returning 100. 100 is the same thing that returned here. So this is just to see, because I have a server hosted in old smartphone. So I want to check if the battery, because it's charging with battery issues. So I just like to monitor if the server is still running. But yeah, it's basically that. You can run comments if it can return a text that you can read. You can show in this program. As you can see, this command can't return a legible text, so it is returning a JSON. So everything I did was to pipe this to JQ, JQ, not JK, and then get this percentage here. I could do something like get the percentage and maybe plug it. It is marked as unplugged because for probably it is with some bug or something like that. But yeah, won't be interesting for us. Yeah. So I already explained it. 15 minutes of live stream. I still haven't started because I'm presenting this to you. Okay, status transmission are good. Let me see if something is already watching. No. It's just like me. Let me detach the chat window so I can see if someone sends a message. Okay, so I have to do a to-do list for it. Let me go here. Issues. I will start with this is. I think I can move it so you can watch it. Let me take a screenshot. Here, okay. So this is the live window. Let me move it to another monitor so you don't have to see that. Also, let me pause the transmission, not the transmission but the live video. I just want to monitor some things. Okay, so I'm now writing the project management for it. So let me move it to here, to this. Showing this thing. Right. Let me see all the messages. Let me see if the live stream is marked as public. Okay. So no one is watching it now. Okay, let me see something in the live stream. I think I'm going to edit the thumbnail. This one might not be calling the attention you deserve. Wow, GIMP just got updated. That's nice. Okay, install GIMP, right. So let me open the image. Okay. What was the name, man? So you can see my editing skills. Okay, let me put this here. Oh, let me just, oh, nice. Okay, let me put something like this so I can see everything. Oh yeah. Oh, cool. I can scroll it. Okay. Let me just like that. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so I can send browser while I'm open the what is the name? It is that animation from my thumbnail. I think it's calling that father. Okay, so perfect, like this. Let's copy, put it here. YouTube thumbnail size. Okay, it is 1000, 1280, 1280. Image 1280 by 720. Yes. Okay. Okay. Adjust. Now this is the rotation. I don't want to rotate it. It's okay. Let me resize it. Put in the same. Good. Just or here. That's literally me. Okay, let's take the logo.